Right, so the day's finally here. This is my Esp Ltd Arrow Black Metal. So I previously had the Esp Ltd M7 Black Metal, but ever since I saw this, you know, I'm a massive Pat O'Brien of Cannon Corpse fan, and I've had a Jackson Manuwords 24 in the past, the black and red one from Japan, and I've owned it twice. But the one thing I didn't like about it, so I've never really had a V before, and when I had it, it tended to move around a little bit when I sat down, and it's a bit awkward. Whereas this, I mean, look at that. You've got the cutaway here, so it just literally locks up around your leg. And I've got quite thick legs as well, so it feels quite comfy. I do use a footrest as well for my left foot, so I can obviously sit like this. We're going to go through 3 tones. We're going to do a clean, distorted rhythm, distorted lead tone. Now, it's a single EMG 81, so there's not going to be a massive tonal variance. I mean, tone is subjective, and it's going to change person to person, even if they use the exact same settings as me. It's all down to the hands and the tones in your fingers. So I'll play some clean passages, and then we'll move on to some brutal distorted tones as well. So let's go to a distorted rhythm tone. So that sounds fucking awesome to me. Anyway, so lead tone. So yeah, that's just a very quick run through of what this guitar can do. Obviously, I'm not the best player in the world, and I don't profess to be either. But I feel like, because I am just gonna be primarily playing this for death metal, single humbucker here, it's just gonna be allowing me to push myself and make sure I'm playing as cleanly as possible. So watch this space for the next couple of weeks. I'll be trying to post some Cannibal Corpse covers where I can. If you've got any ideas of covers to do, just let me know in the comment section. And thanks for listening.